Facelift midsize truck is marked out by a new face and features more luxury and safety kit as standard. Nissan has revealed the new look 2025 Frontier pickup truck. The midsize truck gains a fresh face, more equipment, and greater availability of the 6-foot bed. Towing capacity is also up by 500 pounds compared with the 2024 Frontier to 7,150 pounds. The midsize truck segment is a tough battleground that's home to plenty of pickups newer than Nissan's Frontier. So Nissan has given its contender a light makeover and raised its towing capacity, enabling it to haul heavier loads for 2025. The current Frontier was introduced in the spring of 2021, so it was due for a refresh, but the midlife visual changes that debut for 2025 aren't radical. There's a revised front end, consisting of a new grille and bumper, a new tailgate finishing panel for Pro X/Pro 4X trims, a new 17-inch wheel design, and a new paint option, Afterburn Orange. SV grades and up gain a 6-way power-adjustable driver's seat and a bigger 12.3-inch media screen that comes with wireless Android Auto rather than only wireless Apple CarPlay as before, plus standard 17-inch wheels. Pro X/Pro 4X and SL grades get a 4-way power-adjustable seat, and SLs also come with a wireless phone charger and a 360-degree camera system, while every trim now features a steering wheel that adjusts telescopically and a sliding rear window. All Frontiers also now come with a full complement of safety aids including lane departure and blind spot warnings, rear cross-traffic alert, high beam assist, and intelligent cruise control, answering criticisms of last year's truck. But beyond the gadgets, there are some additional practical changes that should make the 2025 Frontier more useful. One is the greater availability of the longer 6 feet, 1.83 meters, bed that comes with the crew cab long wheelbase configuration. Previously restricted to only a few grades, it's now available on all but the base S trim. The other potentially important change is a 500 pounds, 227 kilograms, bump in towing capacity, taking the tow rating to 7,150 pounds, 3,243 kilograms. Not changed is what's under the hood. That's the same 3.8-liter V6 fitted to last year's Frontier, making 310 horsepower, 314 PS, and 281 lb-ft, 381 Nm, sending power to either the rear or all 4 wheels via a 9-speed auto. Nissan says prices will be revealed closer to the 2025 trucks arriving at dealerships later this summer.